Today I'll show you how to do an oil change on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. The basic principles apply to any internal combustion engine. But first, why do we need to change the oil? Oil lubricates the engine and it collects contaminants and cylinder blow-by, which is why the oil turns darker as it ages. The oil filter collects larger debris. But to remove all these contaminants, the oil must be changed. It is better to change your oil regularly than to wreck your engine. Before you start, you must buy the necessary items, which is an oil plus the filter. The oil requirements can be found in your maintenance book. In the case of our Jeep, we need 6 liters of 5-weight 20 oil and plus this filter. Tools for the job are a 24mm socket, and other vehicles use different filter removers like these. We need a 13mm socket to remove the oil pan bolt and an oil container for the used oil. You're also going to need a lot of these because the job's going to be messy. Next, we're going to lift up the vehicle using these jack stands for safety. The first thing we're going to do is remove the oil cap, and it also says the oil requirements on the cap. Okay, I'm removing the oil pan bolt, and there's going to be a lot of oil, so. So while the oil's draining down there, I'm going to change the oil filter. It's right here. It's really easy to access on the Jeep.
It's going to resist you a little bit, but it'll come out.
What do you mean? No, it didn't. There's the old filter.
Okay.
The first step is to remove the old seal. This is a new seal on the oil filter. You have to lubricate it and then put it in place. This is a new cartridge filter, which you have to also lubricate.
No.
Okay, let's just reinstall it just by screwing it in.
Okay, that should be good.
Now that all the oil's drained, we can reinstall the oil pan bolt.
Ready?
The oil pan bolt should be 20 foot-pounds of torque. Don't forget to put the new oil in the engine. And make sure not to forget to put the new oil in. Okay, so the oil is in the Jeep and I checked the level. It's all good, but now we're gonna start the Jeep to check for any oil leaks. Okay, now we're gonna rev it to 2,000 RPM and check for any leaks. So there are no leaks and we're all done, but how do you get rid of this? Every car is different, but in the Jeep, this is what we do. So put your key in the ignition and turn it 1 time. And then, okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is press 3 times on the gas pedal, and on the 3rd time, hold it down. So, like this. Okay, so now that we've done that, if you go onto the menu on the car, you can go and look at the oil life, and it's 100%. Okay, so the job's done. It's really easy, as you can see. Saves you a lot of money. And yeah, thanks for watching.